Okay, folks, every time we do this, we got to rethink and say, okay, how did we do that again?
What you do is you take one of these and you lay it down flat like this, where the point's pointing to you.
The water.
And then you take some of this, and then you put it in the center of the square. And then you can put however much you want.
Hope you can hear.
We're just doing 2 1/2. And then you put this spoon back, and then you make sure it's in the center like this. And then you fold these like the corners like this. Then you take the corner that's pointing to you and tuck it under the meat and stuff. And then you roll it halfway. You get some water. You carefully put it on here. And then you roll it. And then you're done.
Good girl. I'm going to show y'all this real quick. This is a Papa tip of the day. Alright, when you get them cooked like this, and you really need that one part cooked, you turn them over to the side that needs to be cooked on, like that. Watch here, watch here. Oh crap, we're going to go over time. Yeah, it was my fault. Okay, now what you do is you just hold it like this. You don't mess with them. Just barely hold it here, and it'll fry the bottom part. Papa tip of the day. I don't like to pull this out and dump it over there. What I like to do is just go ahead and let it go down. I'll just bring them suckers up, do it like that, and go put on my cooler.